Hello guys, welcome again. Today we will be discussing some stock selection method. Before we start, make sure to check out the first video where I have discussed the setup. Link of the scanner is in the description. So once you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page. So we will be using charting to our scanning for our scanning. So there will be approximately 200 to 300 stocks daily to scan, and you have to go through each one of them every day. Okay, so there is no easy work. So after manually checking each one of them, so let's try to check. So if you have watched the first video, you know what kind of setup I want to trade. Okay, so we will only check those setup which are making higher lows and is trading in a tight range, but this stock is not trading in a tight range. Okay, again IRCTC, it broke out. This was the setup. Okay, so I shortlisted some stocks in the morning. So these are some stocks for the next week. So this one is Prestige Estates. Stock made a big move of 60%. Is building higher lows, but some kind of shoppiness is there. But these real estate and construction stocks are hot right now, so it may work. So again, this will become our ideal buy point. So above 495. Okay. Again, Suntech Realty. Most of the stocks which I have shortlisted are real estate sector only, because they are the only leading sector at the current moment. Okay. So again, Suntech Realty made a big move. Started surfing 10-day moving average and built a tight range. And maybe we will wait for breakout next week. Again, Cantabil retail investing. And so it is also surfing 10-day, but it is not ready to be buy. It is not ready. So just keep an eye on that stock. Again, Ashiana Housing. This is also a real estate construction sector only. 44%. Then building higher lows and trading in a tight range. So, and volume has also picked up. Okay, Cosmos Films. So this is our end of stock. Just ignore that. Value Gear Enterprises. So again, it made a big move. Started surfing 10-day moving average, and it's getting tighter. So above 185, 186 is the ideal buy points. So this one is a good one. This one is 5-star setup. So made a 100% move in 1 or 2 months, and is surfing 10-day moving average, trading in a tight range, can be a breakout anytime. Okay, so keep that in your watch list. 3,150. Okay, so Saxoft, again it is building higher lows, but again it is choppy right now. So just keep it in your watch list. So the next setups are, okay, so long bases are not working currently, so I am only focusing on short tight bases, which I got momentum bust. Okay, so Heramba, it is a pretty huge base forming a BCP. So if it tightens again, so above 855, it can be a good buy. Okay, 855, 856. So this can be a good level to start accumulating it. Okay, so if you can check the volume, the volume has also picked up volume. Buyers are getting in. And Zomato is making higher lows since its IPO. So I am planning to buy it above 145. So that's all. And about the market. Okay, so market seems extended. It needs a big flush till 200 day moving average. Same for small cap index, mid cap index, and large cap index. Okay, it needs a correction at least up to 200 day moving average. Okay, so after that things can change and you can see some good big moves in the market. So thank you, that's all for today. Make sure to comment your doubts in the comment section. Okay, so thank you.